Welcome to 90 Days Better. Are you ready to take the leap and start your own YouTube channel? Over the next 90 days, we'll guide you through the process of creating, launching, and growing a successful YouTube channel from scratch. Whether you're looking to share your passion, build a personal brand, or even monetize your content, this video will provide you with a comprehensive roadmap to achieve your goals. Let's get started on this exciting journey to becoming a YouTuber. The first few weeks are all about setting a strong foundation and forming your strategy. Start by defining your niche. What unique value will you offer to your audience? Look at successful channels within your chosen niche and analyze what works for them. Ask yourself who your target audience is, what kind of content they want, and how you can provide it in a way that's authentic to you. Next, set clear, measurable goals. Do you want to reach 1,000 subscribers by the end of the 90 days? Are you aiming for a certain number of views or engagement metrics? Having specific goals will help guide your content creation and promotional efforts. Finally, create a content calendar. Plan out your first 10 to 15 videos, considering the topics, format, and upload schedule. Consistency is key on YouTube, so having a calendar will help you stay on track. With your plan in place, it's time to set up your channel. Choose a name that reflects your brand and is easy to remember. Your channel name is the first thing viewers will notice, so make sure it's catchy and relevant to your content. Next, work on your channel's branding. Design a professional-looking channel banner and profile picture that represent your niche. If you're not a designer, tools like Canva can help you create polished visuals without needing advanced skills. Don't forget to write a compelling channel description. This is your opportunity to tell viewers what your channel is about and why they should subscribe. Include relevant keywords to improve your channel's discoverability on YouTube. Finally, organize your channel layout. Create sections for different types of content, such as tutorials, vlogs, or reviews. A well-organized channel makes it easier for viewers to find what they're looking for and increases the likelihood of them subscribing. Now that your channel is set up, it's time to start creating content. Your first few videos are crucial as they'll set the tone for your channel and help you build an initial audience. Start by scripting or outlining your videos. Having a clear structure will help you stay focused and deliver your message effectively. Consider the length of your videos. 5 to 10 minutes is a good starting point for most topics. When it comes to filming, don't worry about having the most expensive equipment. A smartphone with a good camera can work just fine, especially when you're just starting out. Focus on good lighting and clear audio, as these are more important than video quality in many cases. After filming, it's time to edit your videos. Editing can make a huge difference in the quality of your content, so take the time to learn basic editing techniques. Use transitions, add music, and cut out any unnecessary parts to keep your video engaging. Research and practice your creative system until it becomes routine. 1 month in, with your content ready, it's time to publish your first video. But before you hit upload, take the time to optimize your video for search. Start with a compelling title that includes relevant keywords. Your title should be descriptive, giving viewers a clear idea of what your video is about. Next, write a detailed video description. Include a summary of your video, relevant links, and more keywords to improve searchability. Tags are another important part of optimization. Use a mix of specific and generic tags to help YouTube in analyzing the content of your video, so it's recommended to the right audience. Tools like TubeBuddy can help you find the best tags for your videos. Finally, create an eye-catching thumbnail. Thumbnails are often the deciding factor in whether someone clicks on your video or not, so make sure yours stands out. Use bright colors, bold text, and high-quality images to capture viewers' attention. By the second and third months, your first batch of videos should be published, scheduled, and optimized. Now that your process is refined, it's time to focus on growing your audience. Start by promoting your videos on social media. Share your content on platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook, and engage with your followers to build a community around your channel. Consider collaborating with other YouTubers in your niche. Collaborations can expose your channel to a new audience and elevate your subscriber base. Reach out to creators whose content aligns with yours and propose a mutually beneficial collaboration. Engage with your viewers by responding to comments and asking for feedback. Building a relationship with your audience will encourage them to keep coming back to your channel and share your content with others. Lastly, analyze your channel's performance. Use YouTube analytics to track metrics like watch time, audience retention, and click-through rate. This data will help you understand what's working and what's not, so you can make informed decisions about your content strategy moving forward. As you approach the 90-day mark, it's time to think about monetization and your long-term strategy. If you've reached 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program and start earning money from ads. Ads aren't the only way to monetize your channel. Consider other revenue streams like affiliate marketing, sponsored content, and selling digital products or merchandise. Diversifying your income sources will make your channel more sustainable in the long run. Now that you've built a solid foundation, it's time to plan for the future. Continue refining your content based on viewer feedback and analytics. Experiment with different video formats, topics, and upload schedules to see what resonates most with your audience. Remember, growing a successful YouTube channel takes time and persistence. The first 90 days are just the beginning. Stay committed to your goals, keep learning, and don't be afraid to adapt as you go. Thanks for stopping by today. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share your feedback in the comments. Our channel explores a variety of transformative habits for self-improvement and well-being. If you're curious about building better habits and exploring the positive changes behind them, chances are we have something just for you. After all, you may be only one video away from changing your life for the better. Until next time, stay motivated and keep growing.